In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Final Cut Pro latest version. So I already downloaded the Final Cut Pro on my computer, and here you see Final Cut Pro trial version is there. I just downloaded now and it is the latest version. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install it and I'm going to show you whether you are able to install it and use it. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to double click on top of the software and very shortly it will open like this, Final Cut Pro trial.pkg. We just need to double click and then very shortly it will open the installation window. First is introduction and there is a continue button. We just need to press the continue button, and then there is the license agreement. We have to press the continue button to go to this agreement, and here it is showing to continue installation this software you must agree of the terms and conditions, something like that. You just need to press the agree button. Once you press the agree button, it is showing that it needs this much space, 7.04 gigabyte, and then we can also choose the install location, but I'm fine, it is going to install the default location. Then I'm going to press this install button, and very shortly it is asking me the password. I'm going to type the password of this Mac, and then I'm going to press the install software this button, and if the password is correct, then you will see it will start the installation. There is a progress bar. We just need to wait till it finished loading the entire progress bar, and once it is finished, then we will get the confirmation message that it is installed successfully. Once the installation is finished, you will see this type of confirmation message. The installation was successful with this green mark. Then we are going to press this close button to close this thing, and it is asking, do you want to move the Final Cut Pro trial this thing? It will remove this file, the DMG file, but I am not going to delete it, so I'm going to press the keep button, and then we can close it. I'm going to close it, and let's see whether we are able to open Final Cut Pro on our Mac or not. So I'm going to press the command key and spacebar key all together to open the Spotlight search, or you can click here to open the Spotlight search, and then you start typing Final Cut Pro. If you start typing Final or FIN, then you'll see Final Cut Pro trial is there. You just need to double click over there to open the Final Cut Pro, and very shortly it will start opening. Before opening, it will try to jump like this way. You have to wait few seconds to load Final Cut Pro. Now you will see this top screen. Final Cut Pro trial will expire after 90 days. So this is the trial version, that's why it is showing like that. And then press the OK button to close this window and open the Final Cut Pro. And very shortly you will see that Final Cut Pro is open. And here it is showing like this is the new version, that's why it is showing like this. We have to press the continue button and then it will be gone. And that's it. In this way we can easily install the Final Cut Pro on our Mac computer.